Hi everyone, today I am going to showing you live demo to how to make a hole into the steel plate. Steel is not a metal, it's a metal but it's an alloy. It's a stainless steel plate. Stainless steel. It's very solid. Okay, and the steel furniture people are making this steel plate. Okay, so you can see it is shining like a mirror. You can see this is shining like a mirror. It is a 1 mm steel plate, but it is too solid. Okay, you can use any metal drill bit is there, like a 5 mm, 4 mm, whatever it is, but don't use less than 4 mm drill bit because you need to make a press. So generally on this steel plate, who are doing the professional work or the steel furniture people are using, they are using drill press machine. So they have and this runs on slow speed, okay, and press too much. That is the reason they make a hole into the steel plate. Okay, but we are going to make a drill from the drill bit. So you have screwdriver kind of drill, but you have to go to slow speed. It takes a time, but you make a perfect hole. Okay. Another things, you need a punch hole if it is required. Not required, you can make it, use it and just make a punch to make a mark on where to make it, because it is a very smooth steel. So if you start drilling, it will be going here to there. Generally, in the steel press perspective, metal perspective, they are using this bit, but if you are using drill machine at home, on the screw mode and the high torque. So I have this one, so I just make it on the high torque. So it is on 25 torque, and this is the tiles cutter drill bit. Okay, this is the tiles cutter drill bit. You can see it, you can search in the Google tile. It is a like a arrow kind of tip is in there, and it is very solid, very good. It is good for all kind of tiles, but I like this drill bit too when you make a hole into the steel plate. Okay, so fundamentally it's simple. Just make a punch. Okay, just make a sign that you're going to drill bit. Then you have to start slowly drill bit. Once hole is done, then put any kind of hole. I have hair oil is with me handy, so I just use it right now. Okay, so plan to take this. Already these holes are created from the drill machine. It is very smooth, we build, but for 2 hole I have to make it here because I forgot to make a hole here, so I just bring it at home. Okay, so put any ply or wood first on the ground. Okay, so it will be taken enough space, and you have to put a control. Okay, I have only one hand, so just to see. It is looks really do all for it, but let me do it. Okay, let me fit this bit into the bit. This drill machine. I am in screw mode. Direction. You can make it a punch hole if it is possible. You can make it. Sometimes it's not working for me also. You can see some minor one dot with there, but it is very small. Just touch it, just a little bit will stand there. You can make it 2 also here. This is also fine. Okay. Let we start making it. So I'm just holding straight like this way. So if you have 2 hands, you can start and push like that. I haven't. I just use my shoulder to put a press on it. Actually, that start now. Start from slowly first. You can see. Don't go for high speed starting. Let much hole is there. If you have battery build it, you have enough battery power required. I just take half You can slowly press on the machine. I can see started, and small particles are coming during the day. Okay, let me increase the speed. Keep pressing the precaution. Keep continue. What's going on? Okay. Take break. Break is very important because this drill machine will go higher. Beat is also going to little bit hit. I can show you how you can see some mark is happening on this steel plate. You can see it right now. I don't know if it may be visible to you on camera or not. This is a mobile phone camera. Okay, so now it's little bit going to heat slowly. Just wipe it out and put 1 drop of oil. Any oil is fine. And just 1 part of oil. Okay. Now start slowly. First slowly, then you can increase the speed, but it should be in screwdriver mode, high torque. Okay. Let's start. Let's take the thing and press it. It's making wall, it's making beam in the plate. Some particles have come out. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Stay, don't move. Now you can see some more material we have removed from the because it is very hard steel. So you can see it. Right, this is there actually. You can let me wipe out and show it once again. It is not complete whole drill. Still some time is required. Let's go slowly. Don't be patient. Keep patient. Keep patient. It is still. Take 1 drop of oil again. Once little bit hole started, that you can easily go for it. But starting it is little bit harder for you. Let's continue. Start slowly. Give pressure. You can see the hair is going on. Material is coming fast. You can see the wall is done. I can show you. Camera. Yeah, you can see the hole is there. Now, you can see it from the back, the small hole there. I need some little bit bigger hole. Now, if hole is done, that you can put our part. So, put your plate and so at least little bit coat directly down, but don't get too much pressure, otherwise make a hole into tiles and you may be injured also. Let me wipe out. Put some oil. oil is helpful. It keep your big tips cool. It will not take it too much heat. Now you can no need to look at this. Just go ahead. You can see sound is different. Then from the other side. Fine. So you can see neat and clean hole into the steel plate, not a normal or soft metal. You can see it right now, right? Okay. Thank you very much. Only one advice in the last: when you do this such kind of test, take a precaution. I didn't wear the hand gloves, but it's better wear the glasses. Actually, I have by default glasses, but if you know any number glasses, you can use any glasses. Okay, any plaster protect your eyes. Okay, thank you very much.